Hello, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're making something different entirely. Daily, yes. If you have run out of breakfast, lunch, dinner idea, this video is for you. So this is unripe and ripe plantain combo. Yeah, you can actually make it too. That's unripe. I used like 12 pieces of unripe plantain and 4 pieces of ripe plantain. Yeah, if you've not tried this, my dear, come and try it. The good part of it is you can actually use it for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. It goes with anything. So as you can see, I'm giving the unripe plantain different slicing entirely. So I'll be slicing it tinier. So watch and see how I'll be slicing the unripe and ripe plantain. So this is how you slice the unripe plantain. Yeah, you make it tinier. So why I'm cutting the unripe plantain tiny because it will take time for it to get soft. You won't compare unripe plantain with ripe plantain. Their cooking interval is different, you get. So and this is how I'll be slicing the ripe plantain. At least this one will be bigger. Yeah, this one will be bigger in size because this one will not take time before it gets soft. Yeah, so you see, so this is how you slice the ripe plantain. Remember I said I used 12 pieces of unripe plantain and 4 pieces of ripe plantain for this. My dear, try this and thank me later. So if you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. That's if you've not subscribed, and I won't forget to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much. And if today is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So at this point I'll have to introduce water because I'll have to wash like 2 times, not as if I'm removing dirty paste, but you just have to wash like twice at least. After washing, just after which I'll just introduce it into the pots and then add the quantity of water I'll be using for the cooking. Yeah, watch and see the quantity. See how I added the water. Then I'll cover and allow it to cook. Yeah, I'll then return back to prepare some of the ingredients I'll be using. This one is called scent leaf. Yeah, also known as nchuanwu. Yeah, so that's actually the best vegetable for this kind of food. Yeah, scent leaf or nothing. Yeah, I would advise you use scent leaf. Nchuanwu, that's the best vegetable for this. So I've washed like 3 times with salt and I'll have to slice. You can actually use any vegetable of your choice, but I would advise you use this one. This one will give you the taste you deserve and the taste you always crave for. So use nchuanwu, which is called scent leaf in English. So I'm done. I'll set aside and return back to the pot to see if it is soft enough. Yeah, I'll have to pick the unripe plantain. Remember I sliced the unripe plantain tinier, so I'll have to check if obviously the ripe plantain is soft, but I'll be checking with the unripe plantain to see if it is soft, and of course it is soft. Then I'll have to add salt for taste. Then this is crayfish, yellow Cameroon pepper. I blended the two together. Yes, crayfish and yellow Cameroon pepper. You can actually use any pepper of your choice. And then sliced onion. And just stir it a bit. Then seasoning, just a cube of seasoning. A cube, don't gonna add more than one, depending on the quantity. Then I'll then introduce palm oil. Wow, at this point the aroma is everywhere. The aroma. If you have seen this video and you've not subscribed to this channel, my dear, you are really missing. Because on this channel, it is premium content or nothing. So at this point, I'll have to cover so that the onion will be soft a bit. Then I want to come back to introduce the last but not the least ingredient, which is our scent leaf. And then I'll have to stir. At this point, you see this food, it is good to go. Yeah, the aroma is everywhere, the scent is scenting. And guess what? This food is going to all my returning new subscribers, intended subscribers table. You see this food, it is for you. It is for you. Like I said earlier, this food can be taken for breakfast, for lunch and dinner. Make your choice. However you want to take it, it is ready for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.